President Bongbong Marcos believes candidates who use sexist remarks to attract voters are unacceptable. During a briefing on Thursday, April 10, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says she spoke with Marcos about the issue. She says Marcos emphasized that political aspirants should promote respect and truthfulness.
Kaya ayon po sa Pangulo, hindi po katanggap-tanggap ang mga kandidatong ganito ang nagiging naratibo sa kanilang pangangampanya. Dapat ipagpatuloy nila ang pag-promote ng respeto, ng integridad, at ng truthfulness o katotohanan sa kanilang mga sinasabi habang sila ay nagbibigay ng kanilang mga pangako sa kanilang mga constituents at sa mga botante.
Castro points out that such remarks were applauded in the past, but she says this is not the case under the Marcos administration.
Paano nga ba ang ganitong klaseng pananalita noon ay pinapalakpakan? Parang ipinagbubunyi ang mga kandidato o mga leader na nagsasalita ng walang karespeto, lalo-lalo na sa mga kababaihan. Hindi na po ito dapat. Hindi po dapat na gawing idolo ang mga ganitong klaseng tao. Hindi po dapat ito pamarisan. Hindi na po dapat ito pinapalakpakan. Kung nagawa ito dati at pinapalakpakan, hindi na po sa panganahon ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Marcos na dapat ito mangyari.
Castro also says Marcos is happy with the Commission on Elections' swift response on the matter. The issue stems from lewd remarks made by Pasig City Lone District Representative candidate Ian Sia. During a campaign caucus in Pasig City on April 3, Sia jokingly offered sexual favors to single mothers who were still menstruating. His remarks sparked public outrage, prompting the COMELEC to ask Sia to explain. The Supreme Court likewise ordered him to explain why he should not face disciplinary action after cracking the sexual joke. The COMELEC has also issued show-cause orders to incumbent Davao de Oro 2nd District Representative Ruel Peter Gonzaga and Mataas ng Kahoy Batangas Vice Mayor J. Manalo Ilagan for similar remarks.